Okay, today I'm going to show you guys how to write this inequality into slope-intercept form to check your work on Desmos as well. So the first thing I need to do is move the 2x from the left side over to the right side. So I'm going to subtract it since it is being added to negative 5y, I'm sorry. So that leaves me with negative 5y on the left side, I'm sorry. And the left side remains the same, and the right side will read negative 2x plus 10. Then I need to divide by negative 5, because it's being multiplied to y. And when I do to one side, I do to the other. So when I divide by a negative number in an inequality, I switch the direction of that inequality. The right side will now become positive 2/5 x minus 2. So now this is my equation that I'm actually going to graph on my exit ticket here. So here you'll see that I have negative 2 is a clue here that shows me what my y-intercept is. So here's negative 2. There's a dot right there. Then I'm going to take a look at my slope. It says 2 divided by 5. So that means I'm going to go up 2 and then to the right 5. So 1, 2, going up 2, and then to the right 5. And then I plot my next point right here. So to see a clear picture of this, I'm going to go ahead and move this out of the way real quick. And I'm going to blow it up. So again, I'm going to go, let me make this a little bit clearer. So you see here, I'm going to go up 2, right? So negative 1, negative 2, sorry, negative 1, 0, and then go to the right 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go, following my slope. From there, I'm going to draw my line. And then I'm going to shade everything above the line here. So what this means is that the inequality tells me that I need to shade above the graph and draw a solid line. Because the inequality says greater than or equal to. So my solutions can be anywhere in the shaded region and on top of the line. I can include those points. So on the second one, I do the exact same thing. I need to move the 8x over to the other side and then get y by itself, so that way I can have it in a slope-intercept form. This is a positive 8x, so that means this was adding 8x to the negative 3y. So what do I need to do? I need to subtract 8x. So I'm left with negative 3y is greater than negative x plus 12. Then I'm going to divide everything by negative 3 because I want to get the y by itself. So this will leave me just y is, now I'm going to switch this, because I'm divided by negative 3, then I'm going to switch it to y is less than positive 8 over 3x minus 4. So my y-intercept is this guy right here. So here I go right there. Then I move up 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I go to the right 3. So from here, go to the right 3. So there's my point. So just to show you, I went up 8, 1, whoops. I went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then I went to the left 3. So now I draw my line, but this time my line says that it's going to be a dashed line. Okay, so I'm going to have a dashed line instead. And I'm going to shade everything only above the dashed line. So that means only points. Sorry, I just made a total mistake right here. Cannot be this. It's not above. This says less than, so I have to shade below. That's what happens when you're in a rush. Sorry, guys. So this means shade below and point only in shaded region. Okay, so I hope that helps you out. In question 3, it's going to talk about, it's going to give you a graph just like this, or very similar to this, and it's going to ask you which points are in this graph. So click all that apply or click only a few that apply. And that will be your exit ticket for today, and that also is notes for what we've been doing so far. Again, you can graph this on Desmos calculator. So when I clear this here, I can go to Desmos right here. And if I look at my function from before, it's 8x minus 3y is greater than 12. Or I can write down what it was before. After I solve for it, y is less than 8 divided by 3 x minus 4. And that's exactly what I have. See right here? That's my graph right there. That's my y-intercept. And notice here, it's shaded all below and it's a dashed line. Okay. Hope that helped you out, guys.